Our team is designing this lift system for retired Army Master Sergeant Marina Libro. Marina is an avid biker who travels on a consistent basis to many different biking trails and venues. Unfortunately, throughout her extensive career in the Army, she accrued multiple injuries that limited some of her mobility and strength. Because of those injuries, she requires the use of a catch-rike as opposed to the traditional two-wheel bicycle.
The design specifications necessary to fit our client Marina's needs for a successful end product include being able to lift the bike and any supplemental contents without folding the bike, allowing for easier access, hopefully preventing any inconvenience for Marina, and protecting the bike from potential damage. The design must be securable to the truck. It should be able to be operated independently, requiring less physical strength than ramps and hitches, to ensure we are creating a product that will assist Marina better than her current available options.
Marina currently uses a system of ramps and/or tow hitches to transport and lift her bike. The ramps are bulkier and heavier because it must support all three wheels of the bike, which are not aligned in the same path, as seen in the picture to the left of the screen. The ramps also require too much grip strength and mobility for Marina to use them independently because of the height of her truck beds. While the hitch is lower than the truck bed, it is difficult for Marina to use independently to lift her bike on and off the hitch. This is also Marina's least favorite solution because her bike is exposed to damage in the event of an accident, which has happened before.
The design we decided to go for was a davit with an electrical winch attached, as well as a custom attachment so the bike can be gripped and brought up evenly. The design allows Marina to be able to designate the height she wants to lift the bike, as well as have control when pivoting the bike into the back of the truck. The benefits of the design: it is easy to assemble, it's made of 1020 steel so it's weather resistant, has two legs on the bottom which allows the system to be sturdy and reduce the movement the davit can have when the bike is being loaded. The analysis we did for the system was making sure the arm can handle the load. The force we used was around 1,000 newtons, which is 3 times the load the bike would give on the system. The max stress we got was around 90,000 newton meters squared, a max strain in the 4,000th decimal place, and a max displacement of 9 millimeters. The circle in the images show specifically where a breakage could occur, and with this analysis we were able to hit a factor of safety of at least 6, which is above the minimum factor of safety for all davits, which is around 4.5.
In conclusion, our final design is a rear-mounted crane that can be attached to the hitch of the truck. It satisfies many of the design conditions that we outlined. It is light enough for Maria to attach by herself and strong enough to lift the bike. It's also cost-effective in its design, so it can be purchased within our budget. It is also weather resistant up to 4 years, allowing it to be used over the course of multiple seasons.
also see a potential for our bike lift to benefit other disabled veterans, particularly those with limited grip strength and/or mobility, potentially other bikers who may use other types of recumbent bikes, as well as physical therapy patients. The picture demonstrates the potential for biking to give patients a social and physical outlet that will hopefully aid in recovery and overall health.